Imagine a space where shadows dance with light, where quiet elegance whispers of untold stories, a kitchen that isn't just functional, but a sanctuary. Tonight, we're stepping inside the heart of modern luxury, exploring a design choice that commands attention and exudes timeless sophistication. For generations, kitchens were places of utility, hidden away, purely practical. But something shifted. They became gathering places, extensions of our living rooms, reflections of our aspirations. And with that shift came a desire for drama, a craving for spaces that truly feel extraordinary. The question wasn't just about cooking, it was about creating an atmosphere. Black, it's not simply a color, it's a statement, a bold declaration of confidence and refined taste. These aren't the stark blacks of austerity, but deep, velvety shades that absorb light, revealing subtle textures and hidden depths. They create a sense of grounding, a powerful anchor amidst the chaos of daily life, transforming the ordinary act of preparing a meal into an experience steeped in understated luxury. The magic isn't just in the color itself, it's in the contrast. The interplay between matte black cabinetry and gleaming stainless steel appliances, the warmth of natural stone countertops against that deep, enveloping darkness, it ignites a visual symphony. It's instantly shareable, undeniably captivating, a design destined to become the benchmark for modern kitchens everywhere. More than just a trend, this is an evolution. a move towards spaces that evoke emotion, inspire creativity, and ultimately, elevate our everyday lives. This isn't just a kitchen, it's a legacy, built on shadow, light, and the enduring power of black.